Introducing ZCC5050, the high-performance alternative to LM5050. In the world of redundant power systems, reliability and efficiency are paramount. The ZCC5050, a high-performance high-side OR-ing FET controller, has emerged as a superior alternative to the widely used LM5050, offering enhanced features and performance that cater to the demands of modern power management. Key features of ZCC5050. Wide input voltage range. The ZCC5050 supports a broad input voltage range of 1V to 75V, with an additional VBIAS required when VIN is below 5V. This flexibility makes it suitable for a wide array of applications. Fast response and protection. One of the standout features of the ZCC5050 is its rapid response capability. It can turn off the MOSFET within just 50 nanoseconds during current reversal, minimizing the risk of reverse current flow and ensuring system stability. Built-in charge pump. The controller includes an integrated charge pump that efficiently drives external N-channel MOSFETs. This feature not only enhances performance but also simplifies the design process. High transient withstand capability. With a transient voltage withstand capability of up to 100V, the ZCC5050 is well equipped to handle voltage spikes and other transient conditions that can occur in complex power systems. AEC-Q50 certification. For applications requiring stringent reliability standards, the ZCC5050 offers AEC-Q100 certified versions. The ZCC5050Q0MK1 can operate at a maximum junction temperature of 150 degrees Celsius, while the ZCC5050Q1MK1 is rated for 125 degrees Celsius. Efficient power management. By leveraging an external N-channel MOSFET, the ZCC5050 achieves ideal diode rectification, significantly reducing power loss and voltage drop compared to traditional diode rectifiers. Applications and benefits. The ZCC5050 is specifically designed for redundant power systems, where multiple power sources are used to ensure continuous operation. Its active OR-ing functionality allows seamless switching between power supplies, providing uninterrupted power delivery. This makes it ideal for critical applications such as data centers, telecommunications infrastructure, and automotive systems. By choosing ZCC5050, designers can benefit from enhanced efficiency, reduced power loss and voltage drop, improve overall system efficiency. Reliability, fast response times and high transient withstand capabilities ensure robust performance. Design flexibility, the wide input voltage range and integrated charge pump simplify the design process. Cost-effective, the ZCC5050 offers a cost-effective alternative to the LM5050 without compromising on performance. Conclusion. The ZCC5050 is more than just a replacement for the LM5050, it is a significant upgrade. With its advanced features, wide application scope, and reliability, the ZCC5050 is poised to become the go-to solution for high-side OR-ing FET control in redundant power systems.